So, what's up, Salty Lifers? Welcome to Lake Buena Vista, Orlando, you know, tourist country USA, I guess you could call it. Anyway, it's pizza review time. If you guys don't already know, Orlando, Lake Buena Vista, Disney area, tourist stuff everywhere. So it's hard to find something local. This is not necessarily local. However, it is not Domino's. It is not Papa John's. It is not Pizza Hut. It is Giordano's, which very famous Chicago pizza place. And of course, they branched out and they are, around the country. Not everywhere, but of course they are in Florida. Anyway, let's see what we got here. This is supposed to be thin. It feels awful heavy. Hopefully, this goes against a couple different things that I believe in. One of which is doing a pizza review via delivery. However, we have been to the parks all day. Don't feel like driving anywhere, so this is what it is. Okay, it is relatively thin. You could get like thin, and then this was like the second level of thin, and then deep dish. We did not want deep dish. So, it's funny because a lot of people like kind of crack on Chicago thin style, and because they're like, what's that one pepperoni for? That all that is to tell you that it's a pepperoni pizza. That's what they do. Anyway, so eat local, drink local, say no to Domino's, one bite's for quitters. Anyway, let's see what we've got here. Yeah, bottom looks nice. Good flavor. Cheese is good. Sauce is good. Crust is fantastic. Came way earlier than what we thought. Like 20 minutes, 25 minutes earlier than expected. See, and there's proof that there's the pepperoni. If you guys know Chicago tavern style pizza, the toppings go under the cheese. It's just how it works. And it's cut like that. People make fun of that too. I don't understand why. Well, New Yorkers make fun of that. Like, oh, it's cut for a kid's birthday party. No, that's how it was cut. A lot of the reason is, back in the day, a lot of bars would serve what they call tavern style pizza. And they felt like they were getting more mileage out of the pizza by cutting it this way to get more slices out of it. That's why. But it's good. I need a napkin. Oh well. I'll just, a slice of pizza and then we'll talk about it. But anyway. Yeah. Oh, look at you go. You don't want to try this and give us an opinion?
Well, no, because in my pajamas and my hair's in a towel, so.
Well, you could.
You want to do a little behind the scenes review?
Yeah.
Just shout it out?
Yeah, just.
Well, okay, let me.
Tell us.
Let me get it.
I hate that. Here, let me help you out there.
Thank you.
This is gonna look a little different maybe to you.
Well, that's good.
Should I put your ears on to do the score? No. In case you guys didn't know, I mean, I already told you we're in Lake Buena Vista. We did the Disney thing for the last couple of days. We haven't had any pizza because honestly, the pizza at Disney is, let's just say, meh at best. Anyway, let's go 2 more bites and then we'll talk about it. and then we'll get our camera gal's opinion on it. You've conjured an opinion? You have something for us?
Maybe.
Okay. Okay. So, margarita score. 1, 2, 5 margaritas. By the way, if you have not picked up any of our merch yet, it'sasaltylife.com is where you can find all the It's a Salty Life merchandise. Say No to Domino's t-shirts, One Bites for Quitters t-shirts, the standard It's a Salty Life t-shirt. What am I missing?
Eat local, drink local.
Eat
We wore those shirts today.
Eat local, drink local. And beach towels and koozies. Alright. Anyway, we're going to try to fix the whole beach towel thing because I think it's going to cost you like $50 to ship it.
No, I fixed that.
Oh, you did?
Well, I mean, it's $10 to ship it, but they're cheaper than they were.
Oh,
so,
well, that's not terrible.
yeah. Sorry, y'all. We print on demand, so, they set the prices. We try.
Yeah. It is what it is right now.
Yeah.
Anyway, let's move on from that. But buy a t-shirt, buy a koozie, buy a beach towel, by all means. 1 to 5 margarita scale. I'm gonna go. For another bite. I like it. It's pretty much what Chicago Tavern style should be. It's a little thicker than some I've had. Doesn't bother me too badly. I'm gonna go. It's a 4. Solid 4 on Giordano's from Chicago. So anyway, Cubs win. Holy cow! What do you think?
I was gonna give it a 4. So
There you go.
right on the money.
So 4 spot, 4 margaritas, 4 stars, however you want to look at it. That's pizza review. 4 margaritas on Giordano's. This is the Lake Buena Vista location near Disney. Yada yada yada. My name's Jay. Pizza review. That's my story. I'm sticking to it. Heather, also with the 4 margarita review. So we are in complete and total agreement on this one, unlike some others. Our Pizza Rock, Las Vegas, we pretty much agree on that one. Anyway, that's all we got for you today. Eat local, drink local, say no to Domino's, One Bites for Quitters. It's asaltylife.com, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube channel. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel. Baby slice? What's baby slice? Baby slice. Can't do it.
I do want to say, we were not watching wrestling. We were actually watching something else, and now there's an advertisement for wrestling on. Anyways, yep, sorry.